I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vibrant blue lollipops. We'll start by gathering all our necessary ingredients and equipment. You'll need 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of light corn syrup, and 1/4 cup of water. Don't forget your blue food coloring and a flavor extract of your choice. Make sure your candy thermometer and lollipop molds are ready to go for a smooth process. Now let's get cooking. In your saucepan, combine 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of light corn syrup, and 1/4 cup of water. Stir this mixture over medium heat until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring and insert your candy thermometer. Continue cooking until the temperature precisely reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage. The next step is adding that beautiful blue color and delicious flavor. As soon as your candy reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit, carefully remove it from the heat. Now, quickly but gently stir in several drops of blue food coloring and your desired flavor extract, like raspberry or blueberry. Remember, you need to work fast here, as the hot candy will start to thicken and harden very rapidly. Finally, it's time to form your lollipops. Carefully pour the hot, colored, and flavored candy mixture into your prepared lollipop molds. Make sure to fill them evenly. Immediately after pouring, insert a lollipop stick into the center of each filled mold. Let them cool completely at room temperature for at least 30 minutes. Once fully hardened, gently remove your perfect blue lollipops from their molds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.